Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing the mystery box unboxing of the Jeffree Star Valentine's Day boxes. I think this is what they're called. I love a good mystery box or a Beautylish, like they do the lucky bags, just like you buy a certain amount, they have a certain amount in them, and it's all surprises. I think it's so fun. So Jeffree Star actually came out with these. They're two different sizes, and I thought, hey, why not go ahead, buy both, see what they have in them. I'm pretty sure one has like an exclusive t-shirt. I haven't even looked around to see what it looks like, and I have no idea what's in the boxes. This box is the bigger one, and it was $75, and then this one, I believe, was $45. So I'm really excited to unbox them with you guys really quick before we get started. You know the drill. If you're new to my channel, I guess you don't know the drill, but welcome. Make sure before you leave, you do not forget to subscribe down below so you're notified for future videos from me. I post 3 times a week, Wednesdays, Fridays, and then every Monday we do brand new makeup mail hauls. I'm excited to open these. They've been at my house for a couple days. One thing I will say that I wasn't really happy with is I actually paid for upgraded shipping, like a 2-day shipping, and I saw so many more people get their boxes way before I did, and I ordered them together and then they came separate. Like this one came a day or 2 before this one, so I just thought that was really odd. Just wanted to put that out there. I rarely order on JeffreeStarCosmetics.com, so I'm not really sure like if that's an issue, but wanted to add that in. So anyways, let's go ahead. I want to obviously unbox the big one first because I'm excited about it. So here is what it looks like. And I haven't had any new products from Jeffree Star in so long. Probably like the blood sugar palette, I want to say, was like the last thing that I bought from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Okay, ooh. So here is what the box looks like. When I open it, I'm seeing some lipsticks. I see some kind of pop socket, a skin frost, and I see the t-shirt. So let's take these items out and see what we got. It looks like it's quite a bit of items actually. I just saw a color that I don't think I'm gonna like. So I ended up getting an extra large t-shirt because I like my t-shirts to run a little bit big, especially if I ended up wanting to sleep in it. Here's what the t-shirt looks like. It says can't relate. It is a really pretty like maroon purple shade. And then it has like the red and pink for Valentine's Day with the hearts on it. So I do really like this. And normally a t-shirt like this would probably cost, I don't know, maybe like 25 bucks. So yeah, there is that. And then on the back has like the little Jeffree Star symbol. Okay, so let's look and see what our products we got in here. A lot of it's lipsticks, and I always forget like a lot of the brand of Jeffree Star is lipsticks. But the first thing I have is a Skin Frost in Lavender Snow. I feel like these are probably going to be getting saved for a giveaway. Okay, so here is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because just to be 100% honest, I wouldn't wear this shade. It's a purple shade and I just don't feel like it would look good on me. Let me Google a picture of it before I speak too soon. Okay, maybe I'm wrong. I mean, it does look more lavendery, but I'm going to swatch it just because, I mean, I did pay all this money for this box. So let's see here. So here's what it looks like as a highlight, and I'm just going to swatch it on my skin. I don't know. I don't think I would wear this. So let's just, I mean, since I already went in and did that, let's just like try a little bit of it on the skin. There's my current highlight. And there's the Lavender Snow. I mean, it is like, oh my gosh, it looks like I have like a freaking stripe of highlight across my face. Okay, moving on to the next one. Okay, maybe if I just rub it in. I love a blonde highlight. I just feel like the color specifically I wasn't all about. Okay, next one we have is Frozen Peach, and this is the Supreme Frost. This is the newer version, I believe, from the Frost line. Ooh, now I'm excited about this. Here is what this one looks like. I love the packaging of this. It has Jeffree Star right there, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch this. This doesn't feel as creamy as the other one, so we'll kind of swatch it, but we'll see what it looks like. It's really pretty. I've got to get a grip on these eyebrows, y'all. It always looks like half of them's cut off. Okay, I definitely like this one a lot more. Put it on my nose. This is more up my alley. I like the Skin Frost better, like the formula, but this color is a lot more up my alley. So I like that. So for me, I don't know if this is like maybe 25, 30 bucks, but that and the t-shirt's already like a $60 value, so that's good. Okay, pop socket. Here's what it looks like, and it's a Jeffree Star. I wish it was in pink. Would have been so cute if it was in pink. Okay, and then I got a couple different lip things. So the first thing I have is the Long Lasting Extreme Beauty Matte Finish Cruelty Free. Okay, it doesn't say what this is. This is a Posh Spice, I'm assuming a lip liner. And that's a good thing about this box is that I don't really have any of these because I haven't ordered Jeffree Star in so long. Okay. Okay, so here, ooh, is what the lip liner looks like. This packaging is so cool. Like, look at that. I feel like they honestly have the best packaging. Like, everything they come out with is so neat. And I don't know what's going on with this eye right here, but I used the new Huda Beauty foiled eye something, and like this one just looks kind of different than this one. I don't know why. It's the same exact eyeshadow. So here's what this one looks like in Posh Spice. It is a nude, so I like that. Okay, and then these are where I kind of am like, Here is the first lipstick, and it is a really pretty pink shade. It's in the color Dream House. We have a Jeffree's Girl lipstick, and I believe this is the Ammunitions, I believe is what they're called. Yes. Again, I don't own any of these, but the packaging is so pretty, and it is a really bright pink lipstick. This almost looks kind of mini. I'm not sure. Like, the actual lipstick looks like a normal size, but the bottom looks little and mini. We have Posh Spice Velvet Liquid Lipstick, which does match the lip liner, so I like that they included that. I personally probably won't wear this. This is like a darker nude shade than I'm used to. I feel like y'all would probably rather me give these in giveaways and show them to you in an unboxing than swatch them. And then the last one is a Velour Liquid Lipstick in Diamond. Again, this is not a shade that I would wear. Okay, so overall opinion on the $75 box. I will probably use one of the highlights, the Frozen Peach highlight, the lip liner, and the shirt. But to me, some of these like are kind of like out there shades. I wish that they would have did like a box for more like nudie shades, or like, you know what I mean, and then a box for like people that are more adventurous. I need to be more adventurous, but I just feel like some of these I won't get as much use out of, especially if you're getting a mystery box where you want to like wear it for every day to work or whatever. You know, some of these shades, they aren't gonna work for me. So that is the $75 mystery box. Okay, let's do the $45 one. I'm like over here like, oh my gosh, do you know what all that could have bought? And the $16 for shipping, girl. Okay, so here's what the little box looks like. Please do not let me have repeat shades. So we do have another pop socket. Okay, and it looks like 4 lip products and a skin frost. Okay, so let's open the skin frost. It says Regina George. Looks like it's gonna be red. Would match my look today. Putting that aside, that's not something I would wear. Which I knew that going into buying this, but I don't know. I guess for some reason I thought maybe like the like more crazier shades wouldn't be in the box. I don't know. Okay, next thing we have is this right here. It's called Clout. It is a lavender sparkly or metallic liquid lipstick. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I was thinking maybe I'd be getting like the highlighting palettes, maybe like an eyeshadow palette thrown in there. Okay, we have Watermelon Soda, which is actually a color I would probably wear in the summertime. So that one's definitely a go for me. Let me swatch this. It's like a really pretty corally shade. So there's that. Okay, we have a Can't Relate lipstick. So here's this one. I don't really know what kind of color this is. Oh, it's like it's more of a nude shade. I think I could wear that. I do really like those 2 colors. And I love this packaging. I think it's really pretty. I'm just like wondering if some of these are like, I don't know if they're the best sellers or not the best sellers, you know what I mean? And then the last one we have is the Jeffree's Girl. So I got 2 of those, which that sucks, but it is what it is. That's what you get for mystery boxes. So anyways, that is all for the $45 box. What I'll say is I feel like the $45 box was a better value for me because I got 2 lipsticks. I don't know what the value of the lipsticks would be, but I mean, it's awesome that you get this amount of products if you're okay with getting like, you know, different highlights, things that you may not wear. You know, I guess that's the whole thing with a mystery box. But I hate to say I'm disappointed because I haven't ordered Jeffree Star in like a really long time. So I was just really excited about this box, but that's what you get for a mystery box. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. What do you guys think about mystery boxes? Will you buy them? Do you stray away from them? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I love you so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.